to our channel!
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is FamMNY. For today's video, my wife and I are making a very simple way on how to make balloon castle. So as you can see, we have 6 balloon stand. My wife is inflating all the balloons and they're white and gray. They're all 12 inches balloons and inflated to 9 inches. We start off by making balloon columns. On the first 2 layers, we'll put white, that will be our border. By the way, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and hit the notification bell so you'll get updated every time we have new uploads. So we do the same thing, we inflate this to 9 inches. The size of these balloons are 12 inches. We put this on top of the white. So if you're wondering how I attach this to the balloon stand, I'm gonna show it to you up close. So you put this in here, this one, and then twist this. Make sure it's in between the gap. So you're gonna use fishing line, tie it on here. So this will go. Alright, so using our fishing line, we'll connect them. Just like that, and do the same on the other side. So the size of this balloon is still the same, is 12 inches and inflated to 9 inches. Now this one is inflated to 7 inches. So it gradually gets smaller. So after this we'll inflate 5 inches. So you also have this. This is 5 inches inflated to 5 inches as well. Make this into 5. Use our fishing line tie it to this one. Put this on top. Really indicate the gap. And when you're done with that one, actually grab one of your 260 grit and tie it on here. So I made this flag. This is like actually this is a balloon stick. Cut a piece of paper, put this on top, and then we'll put a tape here. We'll connect it using our fishing line. One layer off. Alright guys, this is it. This is our arrangement for our balloon castle. We'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.